Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting on my ground today because I need to get comfortable because this is only part 1 of my Japan haul. So part 1, I have to talk about the makeup products I got, and this is just solely makeup guys because other stuff will be in the second part, and not all products are from Cosme, but I'm just putting in this bag here. Let's just do a little bit of an introduction about Japanese makeup if you guys are interested, but if not, I'll put a timeline if you guys want to skip to like the haul itself. So when I went to Japan, I didn't just buy from Cosme itself. I mean, Cosme itself is really good because they really recommend a lot of their top #1, and this like display, it's really good. However, I felt that Cosme itself was a little bit too overwhelming for me when the time that I went, because there was just so many people. There was not really enough space or time to just really browse properly because there's literally people in front of you or behind you, and you just feel like, I feel like I had that pressure, you know. So when I went to Cosme, I already knew what I wanted, what I needed, and I went in and grabbed and go. The good thing about Cosme is that everything was displayed very nicely. It's really like eye-catching and it's great. Like there's labels everywhere, it's easy to find things, and I shop mainly in the Osaka one. I missed out on the Tokyo because I didn't have time, but the Tokyo one is definitely way bigger than the Osaka one. So that was my experience with a Cosme itself. But the main places I mainly shop was actually Donkey, and same thing as well. Donkey was definitely way more overwhelming than Cosme itself. Like if I have to pick Cosme Donkey, I would go to Cosme. But Donkey itself, I like that you literally can find anything there. It was quite easy to find things. There are some things that was like sold out, so I had to go to a couple more Donkey places to buy. But my favorite place to actually buy a lot of this product is just all those pharmacy places, you know. So any pharmacy places you see, like the Matsumoto, I think that's what it's called, and Suntory, and there's a few more in like the malls and stuff. I enjoy going to those places because again, there's not a lot of people there. It's not overwhelming. Things are displayed nicely. Obviously, not all pharmacy will stock everything, but if you have time to go to like different pharmacies and buy bits here and there and get tax-free as well, it will be a very good time. Like for me, it was easy for me to spend over 5,000 yen or 5,500 yen to get the tax-free, and I just only need 3 or 4 items before I hit that. So that's my experience guys, so you don't need to just go one places. There's a few, and I'll put like links down below as well of where I went in case you guys are interested and want to find the places. But again, buying all this stuff is very convenient, it's easy to find. Let's get started with this. I'm just gonna pull things out. A lot of this are pretty much like viral things or things that I have bought for many years. Like I had screenshots and shots of like things from TikTok and Little Red Book as well, just to try it out because I want to do like a viral makeup try on for you guys as well. So there's gonna be a lot of Japanese content in my upcoming videos, just FYI. But without further ado, let's get started. I was really well behaved and decided to just buy one set of eyelashes this time, and the reason for that is because I still have a whole bunch of Japanese eyelashes in my drawer which I haven't really like finished up. So I told myself I'm just going to stick to one, and I bought this one because I needed backup in case all of my lash extension has fallen off. I got lashes done before I went for my trip, so I don't need to worry about putting lashes. And again, I knew that Japan is very accessible to get this. However, I realized that it was more accessible to get fake eyelashes in Donkey than any other shops that I went to, like Cosme or you know, the pharmacy stuff. So if you guys want to buy eyelashes, Donkey is a place to go because they have like shelves of like fake eyelashes for you to pick from. But I got this D Up one, which I think is really nice. It's very wispy looking, it has really good volume, so I can't wait to actually try this out. Speaking of D Up as well, the brand, I bought a whole bunch of eyelashes glue, like a whole bunch. I don't even know like how many I bought, but pretty much what I did was every time I go into the store, I grab one because I like to stock up on this, and my favorite one is the clear type. I love how it's just so intact, it's so good sticky, like it just let your lashes last so long on your eyes, and this is like my go-to, guys, like my go-to. And I realized that I actually bought 2 different types. So I think I got one that is say super hard, but my other 3 is just the clear one. So oops, but I mean, I will go through them. So that's my lashes. For some reason, I ended up buying 2 of this Perfect Coat Lock Base in blue color. So I thought this mascara, but I obviously got it wrong and got the blue one instead, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna try it out. So obviously it's like a base and then you apply mascara on top. This actually comes in blue and pink, and TikTok and Little Red Book recommended the pink as well. So if you guys are interested, get the pink as well. And I did not realize that this is actually a base. So well, then we have this one. This is a premium eyelash serum. This actually comes in 2 different versions. I decided to get the premium one because I really have short, stubborn lashes, but also I heard that my lashes are like delicate now because of the fake lashes that I use. So I want to try and strengthen it out. So I thought I'll try this KISSME brand one. For mascara, so I got a few. Oh, look what I found, guys. I found the Perfect and Long Coat mascara. There you go. So this is the pink one, and then this is the blue one for the base. So I'm going to try and do the base and then put this on top and see the differences. But yeah, there we go. I actually ended up buying it. Another mascara. I feel like I bought a lot of mascara this time, but again, mascara, you can go through them really quickly. But I've just seen so many like viral mascara, so I was like, I need to give this a try. And this one has number 1 on it, so you know, see how it goes. This is by the brand Kingdom, and this is their Tabaccan Coat mascara. So we'll see how it goes. So I can't say much about it yet, but this again have 2 different colors, clear, black and brown. So I got mine in the black color, and apparently it's waterproof. My go-to mascara, my favorite mascara that I actually love is this Opera My Lash mascara, and you can see it's clearly said number 1 Cosme as well. And so I got a couple to stock up, and I have a feeling I won't be using this anytime soon because I want to try all the new ones I've tried because I know that I love this. So I'm gonna leave this to the end to use. But I love this one because it really curls up your lashes. It really gives you the volume, and I love how thin the wand is because then there's no smudges. It's easy to apply as well. Then I have a couple of my favorite love liner, and this is in a black, and I love how this comes in the Kuromi Hello Kitty design. So yeah, this love liner is like my holy grail. I use love liner for pretty much all my makeup, so this hands down probably is like the best liner for me. I don't know why they don't have grading for this because it's really popular. So I like this one. I also got it in the dark brown. I only got 1 of it. I should have gotten 2. I don't know why I always do that. I remember the last time I did a Japanese makeup haul, which was like years ago, I said that I regretted not getting more brown. And this trip as well, again, I forgot to get more brown, but it's okay. 3 will be enough for now, so we'll see how it goes. And I also got more mascara, and this is the KISSME Advanced Film Mascara. There was one particular one that I was looking for and didn't have. This one, it just helps to actually just remove it. I think it's not actually a mascara, if I'm not wrong. No, it is a long and cool mascara. Oh, I think it's just saying that it's waterproof, and to remove it you need to like actually use a makeup remover. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it out and see. But there was one that I really want. It's like a pink packaging one. I can't find it anywhere, so I feel like there was like a limited edition. I'll put a picture here for you guys if you guys are interested. But I got this one in black, and again it is number 1, so I'm sure it's actually that good. And I got this eyeliner, and this is really interesting. This packaging really reminds me of my Yuzu eyeliner, which I actually haven't seen it in Japan, the Flow Fushi line. So I feel like I wonder if they have rebranded it because the packaging is very similar. Even the liner itself is more pointy. So I got one of this, and in the color black, it has a whole bunch of color, very colorful colors as well, but I decided to get this one to give it a go. I have this one, which I believe is actually a serum, and I've seen things about it as well. So this is the premium one. They call it the Lash Jelly. So we'll see how it goes. I think I'll try the KISSME one first, and then this one, another eyelash glue. And oh, look at that. This is a jelly drop. So this is the premium version, and this is the normal version. I'm not sure, so I need to do more research, but yeah, so this is definitely cheaper. This is 950 yen, and this is 2,200 yen. I did not realize the price differences. Oops. But yeah, that's why it's called premium, I guess. So I might do like a comparison video, which might be a good content for you guys. And we have eyeliners, and this I decided to get it because of my friend Judy, and she raved about this for many times on her videos. So this is the Canmake liner. I got 3 black and 1 brown. I got her a whole bunch as well because she needed stock up. So she said that this is like the creamiest liner she tried. It doesn't transfer, it's so smooth, it's easy to apply, it's definitely a must-have. She needs it in her life. So I thought, why not stock up for myself as well, because I love tight lining as well. So I feel like I can go through this a lot. Also bought this one, and this is already open out. This is the Kose Make Keep Primer. I had this on my list, like my wish list that I wanted to buy, and I found out that it's also #1 is Cosme, and apparently it's a very good primer. I like how small it is, and I like that it has a little bit of color. I have tried it and used it during my whole of my trip, so I can give you guys like a quick review. The only thing I find with this one, it really stays intact on your dry skin. It really emphasizes on that. So you guys just need to make sure that you exfoliate, moisturize before applying this. But apart from that, it really does keep your primer, like it really does keep your makeup intact and keep it long lasting as well. But yeah, it's just sometimes not suitable for dry skin. Another primer I got, and I decided to get this one because this face is this brand is known for their mask, which I will talk about in part 2. But apparently this is a poreless primer that they recently released, so I thought I'll give it a try because I found it looks really cute, and it comes in a tub. So I can't wait to give this a try. I realized I only got one eyebrow product, and this one is by the brand Excel in number Natural Brown. Heard good things about it. It was on my wish list, so I want to give it a go because I want to see what it's all about. It has a pencil. It also have like the brow powder to apply on top. Japanese love their powder as well, or like the mascara. So I thought I'll buy this to give this a try. Also only stick to one lip product. I told myself I'm not going to spend any more money on buying more lip products in Japan or in Korea where I went, because I have so many that I need to like declutter. So I decided to just stick to one, and this is the Kate Lip Monster in number 12. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I'll try it on camera for you guys, but it is going viral. It's really popular, so I've been eyeing on this color, and I'm glad I found this because there was only one left when I went and picked it up. The first one is this dual medicated cleansing balm. I think my one is just the white and green. I really wanted to get the matcha one, and I finally found it in the end, but I told myself I need to stop because I had a feeling I had a whole bunch of stuff to try. But if I were to hold out, I would have tried the matcha one because it's limited edition, but I think this was also quite popular, but it's a little bit pricey. I decided to get a smaller version of this. I don't know how to call it. I think Fancy L. This is their mild cleansing oil. I usually don't use cleansing oil, hence why I decided to get a smaller version. They have bigger version as well, but I decided to get the smaller version to try and see whether I like it, because I tend to go for a balmy texture rather than the oily base texture. So yeah, little teaser for you guys. This is my second haul, but I realized now that I also bought another cleansing balm, and this looks like the hair version, but this is by the Honey brand, and this is their cleansing balm moist. The moist one is so hard to find, guys. I was looking for the moist. They had all these other version, but the moist one I had to go to this really random ass pharmacy that I found in the middle at the back of Shibuya. I can't remember the name, but they had this one, so I was really glad that I was able to pick this up. And look at that, I have another cleansing balm. So I already have 2 in my makeup haul, so here comes another one, and this is the skincare brand Lululun. And so this is their cleansing balm version, so I wanted to give this one a go and give it a try. This is a makeup setting spray, and this is by Vivi Airo Mochi Mist. Decided to give it a go because it has this LDK label. If you guys don't know about this LDK, I myself don't really know much, but from what I've heard is that this LDK is sort of like the same tier as Cosme, where they really rank all the products and they recommend what are good. So I've been trying to hunt like some LDK products to try. So this one has the LDK label for 2021. So we'll see how this one go. This is the Kose one, which also was recommended by TikTok. So I decided to get this one as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my part 1. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there are some of the products that you guys have tried before and you guys love. I would love to know, and I really hope you guys will stay tuned for my part 2. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.